Welcome back to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about AP arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression in ICSC board is a very important chapter, and in some famous publication AP and GP is in together. But in ICSC 2021 and 2022 only AP is in your current syllabus. So we will discuss about AP. What is AP? The adding or subtracting same number get the sequence of number is known as AP. Adding or subtracting same number. First of all, if 10 and then add plus 2 in every step, 12, 14, 16 and so on. These are in AP. It is very easy. Or 10 and minus 2. Add minus 2 every number. Then 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2 are in AP. So AP is very easy and you can get the number serial wise in order with it solve same difference in previous number and successive number. So how will get the solution and numerical problem of AP exercise, AP chapter? First of all, we should know about the general term. What is general term? First of all, if it is 10, 6, 10, 6, 2 and so on, then first term is known as A. First term is known as A. While difference of any two number which is adding or subtracting from previous number is known as common difference D, and it can be get by subtracting a number from previous number. Or 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Result is same, so it is common difference. And the last number is known as L. L, last number. It is L. And the number of term is known as N. N is equal to 3. These are the number of term. Number of term 3. A, first number. D, common difference. Difference can be get very easily by subtracting the any number from previous number, and the N is the number of term, while L is the last term of an AP. What is general term? General term is the main point in AP. General term. If you want to value nth number, then use this formula A plus n minus 1 D. Applying this formula, you can get the any term, 9 term, 7 term, 10 term, 100 term and so on. It is very easy, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. These are in AP. First term is 2. Difference is 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. And number of term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to 5. Let us find the fifth term. Fifth term. How can you get fifth term 10? A, N. A, fifth term. A is equal to 2 plus number of term 5 minus 1 and difference is 2. 2, 5 minus 1, 4 into 2. 2, 4, 2, 8 is equal to 10, which is answer. So you can easily get any term from AP by applying the formula, which is known as general term. It is also used to find the last term. You should put only the value of n and you can get the last term by this formula. There is no difference in last term and n term. But in some time you should know about the any term from the last, not from beginning, from the last. Example, if you want to know any term from the last, then formula is changed. What is the nth term? Nth term of AP from last. N term of AP from last. Then use this formula n minus 1d. You can easily get the value of any term from last in AP. And the difference of two terms. To calculate the difference of two terms is also very easy. Let a nth term minus a m term. How can you calculate difference of two terms? N minus m d. D is common difference. You can easily calculate the difference between any two terms of AP. If you want to know the middle term of AP, then there is two conditions. If the middle term of AP, then use n plus 1 upon 2 term. When it is odd. When it is odd. And how can you get when it is even? Then use this formula to find the term, middle term, n by 2 plus 1. You can easily get the middle term. There is two exercises in AP. First of all, to get the general term, nth term, from last term, difference of two terms. But in second exercise, the formula is for sum of n term. If you want to sum of these terms, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, you should want to sum of all these numbers, then use other formula, sum of n term. Sum of n term, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. You can easily calculate the sum. For example, if you want to sum of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then use this formula. And you can calculate the value very easily. N by 2, how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. 5 upon 2. 2 into a. What is a? 2. Plus n. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 1. What is the difference? The difference is 2. You can get by subtracting 4 minus 2. 6 minus 4. 8 minus 6. 10 minus 8. 2. 5 upon 2. 4. 5 minus 1. 4 to 8. 8 plus 4. 5 upon 2. 8 plus 4. 12. 2 6 is 12. 6 5 is 30 answer. You can check your answer by adding these values. 4 to 6. 6 6 12. 12 8 20. 28 10 30. And answer is 30. You can easily calculate any value from AP and it is very easy. If you want to solve the problem of your exercise of any famous publication such as M.L. Agarwal, R.S. Agarwal, Kansai Selna, O.P. Malhotra, then visit our ICSChelp.com and get the solution of latest edition. Thank you.